Alfa Romeo will kick off its next product offensive with an SUV larger than the Stelvio, pictured, being prepared for launch about 2 years from now. The people hauler, built on the Stelvio's Giorgio platform, the same as the Giulia sedan, will be the first brand offering with an electrified drivetrain, and the largest vehicle Alfa Romeo has ever built. A report last year said the coming SUV would probably slot into the BMW X5 and Mercedes-Benz GLE segment. However, the XL Stelvio has been benchmarked against the Audi Q7 and Volvo XC90, and a 7-seater model is likely.